Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do your Work Cited assignment that's due Wednesday night by 11:59. The first thing is I'm in the week 2 assignments sheet that has all your information in it for this week. So I've scrolled down to where it says number 2, your second assignment due on Wednesday. This first sheet tells you what to look for. Okay, so you're going to get into your trailer, and if you look on the sheet where I had all of the trailers listed, if you clicked on the link above it that said misery or a dark half or whichever one it is, it'll take you to the YouTube page, so it'll be easy to find. Alright, first thing is the title of video. You'll need to know that. Make note of that. The poster's username is right there. This one happens to be Geico. You'll need to know the publishing date. That is pretty much all you need, and you'll need to know the date you looked at it, which actually could be any day, the Wednesday you turn it in if you want to, and then YouTube, which is where you got it. And all of the ones that I put on that page, all the links came from YouTube. Okay, so to make it easy on yourself, make sure that the trailer you're using came from YouTube. All right, so also if you keep scrolling down, because that tells you what to look for, as you scroll down, I have given you this. You're going to have 3 Work Cited entries, 1 per trailer that you used. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the misery one because everybody should have done the misery one. Okay, that's got to be one of your 3. So what you would do first is go ahead and do your Work Cited template. Click on that so that you have access to that, because I'm going to type into it and show you how to do it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do, you see author's name or poster's username. So I'm going to click on the misery YouTube, and I'm going to look at that. Okay, so it looks like, I don't know if you can see all of the, but here's my user poster name right here, the poster's username, bunch of trailers. That's creative. You'll see it's October 27th, 2010. I don't want to hear that. And then the title is actually Misery 1990 in parentheses original trailer. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go to the template that I downloaded from the SA2 page. All right. I am going to change this. I didn't catch this, but that should be Work Cited because we have more than one. All right, so I remember that the poster's username was kind of strange. It was bunch of trailers. Okay, title of video, let's see if I can remember. I believe it was Misery and 1990. I think that's right. In parentheses, then I had this, and then it was original trailer. And some of yours may be really long, like the title, and you just put it. All right. I'm going to leave online video clip because that's going to be the same for all of mine. The name of website in italics is going to be YouTube, and you capitalize the Y and you capitalize the 2, but it's one word. Name of website's publisher is going to be the same as YouTube, but it's just not in italics because they're big enough that they publish their own stuff. So I'll simply put YouTube as well. Okay. All right, date posted. That's the date they posted. And I can't remember. I think it was, I'll have to double check this, but I think it was, you put the date first, 10, and then you can, I think it was 2017. You're going to do your date like that, which is a little different, but 10 October 2017, and I will check, make sure that's right. And then web, that stays the same. Date accessed is when you accessed it, so I think today is the 9th. It's June, and it's 2019, and I need a period. Okay, that is all you do. That is your username. That's the title. That stays the same. YouTube repeated twice. The date of the actual trailer is posted. Web stays the same. And then the day you accessed it, which could be today. And you're going to do the same thing for the next two, your other two trailers. Okay. Let me go back though and make sure that I got all the information correct. Okay, so bunch of trailers, October 27th. Oh, I messed that up. 2010. So, okay, I got to go back and fix that. Oops. All right, so what did I do? Not 10. That's why it's good to always go back and double check yourself. And that will be 2010. The only thing I got right happened to be the date. The month, I mean. Okay, so I want to make sure bunch of trailers. There's the date, Misery 1990 original trailer. Okay, and that's all you do. Okay, then you can go back to our assignment sheet. When you get that done, scroll down where you'll see Essay 1 Work Cited page. And what you're going to do is simply click on that and then submit that one document, that one page. Now, once I go through that and give you comments, because it'll be real quick and easy for me to tell you what's wrong, you will add that to your final copy. That will be the last page of your final copy. So don't forget to save it, to keep it, and put that on your final copy. All right, quickly, the only thing you have left for the week is to finish the paper after you get back the draft. Make sure you look at corrections, ask me questions. You would go through this Essay 1 checklist. It's pretty thorough. It tells you anything and everything you should have included. And then you're going to click on Essay 1 Final Copy right there to submit by Sunday. Remember, you can turn it in Monday as an email to me, but or I'll keep it open, but it becomes 5 points a piece a day, 5 points a day every time you're late. So, and plus, we have a lot of stuff going on. And after this is turned in, that next week you have your proctored exam. So make sure you're making those appointments as well. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and just email me, or you can message me in Canvas, which all you have to do is click over here where I have 984 messages and send me a message. All right, guys, good luck this week, and let me know anything I can do to help you. All right, bye.